How to log out of BLEACH Soul Resonance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're looking for a way to log out of BLEACH Soul Resonance, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open your BLEACH Soul Resonance game on your device, and once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right corner. From the menu option, tap on the gear button. Now, click on the other button on the left. Now under other, you'll see a logout button. Simply tap on tap to log out and you'll be logged out of your BLEACH Soul Resonance account. So there you have it. That is how you easily log out or sign out. Before logging out of your account, always make sure your account is linked, for example, to email or a platform account, and this helps preventing losing your progress. So there you have it. You can always get back and get linked to your account again whenever you prefer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.